Transitional phrases are used to enhance our language flow. Let's do a quick review. Example, your name is Sarah. You have chosen a vocabulary word that begins with the first letter of your name. You also created the sentence, I like salt on my food. Transitional phrases are smooth transitions between ideas and conversations. Traditional phrases are like bridges to guide you through different parts of the conversation. One of the most common transitional phrases would be in addition. This phrase allows us to expand on a point or introduce new information. For example, in addition to enhancing the flavor, salt also plays a crucial role in preserving food. This transitional phrase, in addition, introduces new information about salt. Let's look at one more transitional phrase. On the other hand. This transitional phrase is useful for presenting contrasting viewpoints or an alternative. For example, salt adds flavor to dishes. On the other hand, it's important to use it in moderation for a balanced diet. Remember, using transitional phrases in our speaking helps maintain a smooth flow of ideas. Practice using these two phrases in your daily conversations until it speaks with fluency.